Hi everyone, my name is Kristen Flores. It's been a while since I've shoot a video including myself. Typically I would just do unboxing, just showing the item that I bought, but today I'm trying to show up more. So today we'll have a Kate Spade unboxing. It's gonna be a true unboxing. This just arrived today and I'm excited to show you what I got here. But before that, I just wanted to show you this purchase I got from Saks Fifth Avenue. I wasn't really planning to share this with you guys, but because I was very satisfied with my order, with the dress, the price, and because the sale is still going on right now, I kind of wanted to show it to you. So this is a dress I got from a brand that I've never heard before. I believe it's read as "en saison," which means in season in French. I don't know if I read that correctly, but yeah, and I should try it for you guys. That way later when we check out these bags, we could see if it complements this outfit. So we'll be right back. So here it is, the dress. So originally I wanted this in light blue, but because the material is 100% cotton, I know that it's going to be wrinkly no matter how much ironing I would do. So I decided black would be perfect. And I was also thinking that I would wear it more like a off-shoulder dress. I do think it's really flattering. It might be shorter than what I would usually wear, but I think it's doable. Actually thinking of wearing this with sneakers, so to make it look more easy and casual, I guess. So let's move on to the unboxing. Okay, I'm back. So I tied my hair up to give this beautiful neckline more justice. This actually feels like a Filipiniana right now. Okay, so let's do the unboxing. So I got these. I have two purses here. Both of them were below $70. I think one is $69 and the other one is $64. Because there's a sale going on right now, still on, 50% off. And I'm excited to see what we got here. I have two. Let's see. First bag. Here we go. You be the judge. So this first one I'm opening right now is going to be for my sister-in-law in the Philippines. I am sending a balikbayan box soon, and I think she's gonna love it. You know what, now I feel bad. I feel like I shouldn't completely take off everything, but you know what, we have to check it out, right? We have to see if it's worth it. So a lot of padding. Those back later. So it still looks brand new. Oh, we have a dust bag. By the way, I actually think that the deals online on Kate Spade Boutique online store are way better than the surprise Kate Spade website. So it is. Crossbody bag. It also can be used as a shoulder bag, I believe. Not just hanging on your shoulder. Don't you like the sound of that? Here we go. Purse number one. So let's see if it has it in here. This one is it's called medium saddle bag. Oh, give you the, maybe it's Dior inspired. It has a sleek pocket here, very convenient. And inside we have a big space here. Definitely fit with your phone. You have a medium size wallet and another pocket. So I like to check where the bags are made from. I always check. So this one is made in Cambodia. Made in Cambodia. There you go. And the strap is adjustable. I'm 5'4". So let's try it. Easy to use, easy to grab stuff. You can keep your phone in the back. Might be too tight for big phone, but for minis, perfect. You need something to get from the zipper. Still easy access. Very cute. Okay, on to the next purse. This one is actually for my mom. Ooh, love this blue. Love this blue color. Look at that. Love it. Crossbody bag. Also has a dust bag. Nice. Awesome. Okay, so my mom wanted a small bag. They are traveling to Canada next week, and she wants something where she could just put her wallet, phone, and maybe her passport. So this is the biggest compartment of the bag. Definitely fit a phone. This is how big it is. I'm sorry, I don't have a phone to sample, but it's definitely big enough for a phone. And even this pocket right here, which has magnet, awesome. Has magnet. This is convenient for a phone. And it's big enough for big iPhone or Android phones. Another pocket here, and a zip pocket right there. Yep. So again, you have to check it out. I know it's not mine, but you have to check it out. Go. So I got these on Christmas Day. I just know that great deals are going to be on Christmas Day, so yeah, I'm that person shopping on Christmas Day. No? Oops. Okay, my bad. Too excited. Check this out. Okay. It's easy. It's the one where you just kind of tuck the studs. And again, you can adjust it. My English, wow. Here we go. Caught it. Here we go. Tuck this in. Oh. Let's try it. Wow. Love it. Easy to use. I'm 5'4", so I think it looks good. Actually, it looks good in this outfit. So, are you team pink or blue? So the blue one, retail price is $198. I paid $64 plus tax. And this pink one, retail price was $278. I paid $69 plus tax. So are you team pink or blue? Let me know which one is your favorite. This is going to be for my sister-in-law. Hi, sister-in-law. And this is going to be for my mom. Yep. And if you're wondering what I got myself, check out my next video because I'll show you what I got myself for Christmas and what my husband got me for Christmas. Okay, so let me know in the comment which one is your favorite and if you think I had a great. Thank you so much for watching this episode. I hope you click like and subscribe because I'll be sharing more stuff, fashion stuff with you guys. And I like, scoring some big deals, some great deals. So I'm trying to be more committed to this. So I hope you will support me. Thank you again and see you on my next video. Bye for now. Thank you